Thank you and enjoy your ride. This ride.
It will be like 10 minutes and like on the water's not even cool. Imagine the Valhalla water. Oh, the water's jumping out the boat. You know the water's gone. This is what Valhalla should do. Oh yeah. All the water's gone. Mark's new favourite ride. I've never spent $4 better than watching his face. In fact, I think I'd give another $4 just to watch him go on it again. Absolutely.
Alright, please remain true to keeping your arms and legs inside of the other 5 minutes up the water. Thank you and enjoy your ride. This ride.
Yeah, it's still filtering.